What's up, crew? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alizea Lore. So I just got out the shower. I washed my hair. Did my little one too. Today is going to be a reset day for me because it's the only off day I got this week. So I picked up all these days at work because I'm trying to improve some things in my life that require extra money. So today I am going to do a silk press on my hair just to see, do a length check, trim it, give it a cute little treatment. I already washed it and did that. And I want to reinstall my wig for Valentine's Day. I bought a cute little Valentine's Day wig, so I'm gonna let my hair breathe until then. So I'm gonna finish my skincare routine real quick and we gonna get into that. So first I'm gonna start with detangling and blow drying my hair. I'm going to add a lot of body before I blow dry it. I actually need to add some more water too. It's starting to dry up. So, yeah, let's get into that. One of the girls' YouTubes that I watch, I think she's a cosmetologist and she does her own hair. And she does her own silk presses. And she recommended Lotta Bodies, so I definitely ordered some because of her. Her YouTube is I think J Danielle. I absolutely love her YouTubes. Really cute, really big on beauty, hair, shopping. Yeah, I love her. Really girly, really cute. So I'm gonna get into, I'm gonna pull out my good blow dryer too. I normally use my brush, but today I'm gonna use my baby. So let me get this detangled. Let me add my mousse. No more. I think she did maybe like 2 pumps. I'm gonna do maybe 4. Work it in. Maybe that might have been too much. Alright, let's get this together. So y'all, I think I'm gonna change my mind. I might have put too much mousse in it this time in this corner. So honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and just, because now the hair is, I feel like it's sticky and it's getting crunchy as it's drying because I put too much, so now it's hardening. Honestly, I'm gonna just go ahead and, I guess, blow dry it, grease it up and braid it down and just go ahead and put my damn wig on. Because I done messed up the dang on. Y'all hear that? Yeah, that's just, I don't like the way that's feeling or sounding. I done put too damn much mousse in it. Alright, y'all, I'll be back. Then made it to the other side. I'm just gonna braid it down and put up one of my wigs on. Pull up on me. No, my braiding don't be the tightest. It's just to get the hair laid down. You know, I don't care. And it ain't the neatest. Because I'm not a braider. Come on. hate when that happens. Alright, got this shit braided down. And now I'm going to spray it and scarf it. And then we'll come back when we install the wig. Alright, let me pin this down. I got some bobby pins up here somewhere. Where'd they go? Oh, there they go.
CS24 Ultra and circle the search with Google. Get yours now at Samsung.com. Internet connection required. Results may vary based on visuals. Taco Bell just dropped the new Cravings Value Menu. And now you can get 10 items for $3 or less. Which means you can get the food you want for the price you want. It's almost like you can have your cake and eat it too. But in this case, it's a double stacked taco from the new Cravings Value Menu.
Bam! I just slicked down the edges. And now it's time to set everything. Alright, let me show y'all the wig I'm about to reinstall. Y'all, I gotta read me a book out loud or something. I feel like working where I work, the residents are starting to rub off on me. And let me just say, a lot of their speech is not that great. So I'm gonna start reading the book out loud. Let me show y'all this wig. So I don't know if I told y'all, but I named my wigs. I might have to make that a video and show y'all all the wigs that I got and what I named them. But the wig that I'm about to reinstall is this wig. This is my black deep curl, and I named her Jackie. I feel like she gives a Jackie attitude, honestly, if that makes any sense. If you feel like when she dry, like after I done like put all this time and fucking mousse and spritz and shit into it to keep it long and wavy, it dries up very big. So this is Jackie. I am going to reinstall her. I am going to clean up the hairline and the lace and wash her, and we gon' put her back on until Valentine's Day or close to. Wait for that one. So I'm gonna be honest, a lot of my wigs fit kind of big, and another one of my wigs came with, like, I guess this wig band that goes around the back and it helps it stay in place and fit a little snugger. I'm honestly going to put it on this wig and see how it do, because I feel like my wigs tend to slide back in my sleep once I done tied it down, or like you can see right now, I'm really glistening. I'm a sweater, and the glue be coming up and the wig slides back. So I'm gonna put the band on and see how this do. While my braids are setting, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this wig. I already got the water running on high in my shampoo and conditioner just to get it back in a better condition looking. So here's all my stuff. Let's this down. I feel like I need to get it a little higher. So I'm gonna get some shampoo on it. Then once I get some conditioner on it, I'm gonna detangle it because it needs to be really bad. Down lace at the hairline, because boy, got it rinsed real good. Now I'm gonna get some conditioner on it, and then I'm gonna detangle it. let me go get my detangling brush. My brush. Start from the bottom. I don't want to stir the hair up or the pattern of the hair. I just want to get it in a little better condition. That's all. Lord, I wish I had a damn mannequin head. This would be so much easier. Okay, there we go. Alright, I got it all washed and combed out. So I'm going to leave it to dry now so I can put it on. Or at least to lose as much excess water as it can. So, yeah. Let it dry a little bit and then we're going to come back. I'm ready to get the glue on my forehead and get it set in for wig. I think I'm going to throw some mousse on it while it's still in this state. So I don't think I'm going to use this. I think I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use something else. I got something down here. I'm going to use this one. Okay, so my hair should be set by now. Yeah, pretty good. Here's the wig. I'm going to get it on first and then I'm going to mousse it up and then I'm going to clip it. Of course, my little thing can't mousse. Alright, so I'm going to put it on. Place it. I'll clean up the hairline later. Get it combed back. Clip it all back. So when I pull it forward, it ain't no hairs in the way. Okay. Okay. Here's the glue. This one almost gone. It's time to find a new bottle somewhere. My band ready while my glue dries. So when I put it in place, I don't gotta worry about nothing else. I can put it on smoothly. went and got my beauty fan because I feel like it dried my glue a lot better than anything else. So here we are. My fan died. So I'm gonna add one more layer of glue and let it go ahead and dry. Okay, second layer. It's pretty dry. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it forward. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Now that I have it setting, I'm gonna go ahead and mousse it and spritz it down real quick and twist it up. That way when I take this off, I can just do the baby hairs and voila. I think it may be the middle part. I'm gonna go ahead and split it down the middle. And then split it into fours. Boop. So that way I can wet it up and twist it up easier. Get it nice and wet to where your curls come back. One, two, three, four. Y'all know I be heavy on the mousse. But that's because I'll be wanting my curls to stay. Just gonna go ahead and break that on up right now. While I got it all nice and moist. Yes. Almost done. All right. I'm gonna cut these a little shorter because I'm not gonna do them into the morning and I don't want them all in my face. So yeah, go ahead and scarf this down and come back later. So I'm all set for work. This is my hair. I just took the braids out and I sprayed it with some water to bring the deep curl back a little bit. But I look really cute. Hopefully it stays this flat and curly. But we'll find out. Got a 12-hour shift ahead of me. So this is it, guys.